Hi guys, this is UPSC expert. In today's video I'll tell you about food web. We will get information about food web. So let us know what is a food web. As we know, a food chain represents only one part of the food or energy flow through an ecosystem and implies a simple isolated relationship which seldom occurs in the ecosystem. But an ecosystem may consist of several interrelated food chains. So ecosystem that consists of several interrelated food chains, it is known as a food web. I will repeat it again. An ecosystem may consist of several interrelated food chains and it is known as a food web. More typically, the same food resource is part of more than one chain, especially when that resource is at a lower trophic level. For example, here we can see that the grasshopper is eaten by both the frog and the rat, so it is in two food chains. It represents two food chains. That's how a butterfly is eaten by frog and dragonfly both, so it is again in two food chains. So this is there are many complicated relationships and between the organisms that give rise to food chains. And if any of the intermediate food chain is removed, the succeeding links of the chain will be affected largely. The food web provides more than one alternative for food to most of the organisms in an ecosystem and therefore increase their chances of survival. So we know that if any of the food chain is affected, then the organisms dependent on the food chain will be affected, and the food web for all the organisms, it provides multiple sources of food. For example, grasses may serve food for rabbit or grasshopper or goat or cow. Similarly, a herbivore may be food source for many carnivores. So that's all about food chains and the interconnected network of feeding relationship that takes the form of food webs. So now I will see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share the channel. Please subscribe guys. Thanks.